Even though we were able to send an earthly resident to the moon for the first time in 1969, there are still countless celestial bodies in the universe that remain beyond the reach of manned spaceflight. Nevertheless, this does not mean that it is entirely impossible for us humans to gain genuine impressions of the various planets in our solar system. A mere glance at the firmament is enough to convince us of the breathtaking diversity of our galaxy. When we look up at the stars on clear nights, we can only speculate about the galactic secrets that lie dormant in the seemingly endless expanses of space. While there have been many reports on Mars, Saturn, and other celestial bodies, NASA and other international space agencies have long managed to send unmanned probes into space. These extremely complex spacecraft gather valuable data and stunning images of distant celestial bodies. In our presentation today, we will focus on a specific object that is just as fascinating as its well-known galactic neighbors, the Jupiterian moon Ganymede. We'll take a closer look at the characteristics of this natural satellite, explore what amazing images of the celestial body are already available, and review the missions that have been conducted to investigate it so far. If you enjoy our films, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Simply Space and look forward to the exciting videos awaiting you in the future. Musical note: music. About 778 million kilometers away from our blue home planet lies the giant Jupiter. This gas giant has an equatorial diameter of an incredible 143,000 kilometers, making it the largest planet in our solar system. To orbit the Sun just once, the planet needs more than 11 years. Jupiter does not travel through space alone. It is accompanied by at least 79 moons. The most famous natural satellites of Jupiter are, without doubt, the so-called Galilean moons. These are not only the 4 best-known satellites of the gas giant, but also by far the largest. As their name suggests, the moons were discovered by the world-famous astronomer Galileo Galilei in 1610, when he observed the night sky with a homemade telescope. Since then, humanity has learned about the existence of Io, Europa, Callisto, and Ganymede. Each of the 4 Galilean moons has unique features, and their surfaces vary greatly from one another. For example, Io is marked by intense volcanic activity, while Europa's surface is crisscrossed by countless furrows that stretch for kilometers. Callisto is known for its heavily cratered surface. But what about Ganymede, the focus of our discussion today? Ganymede is considered the king of the Galilean moons. No other moon in the solar system matches its enormous size. With an equatorial diameter of 5,264 kilometers, Ganymede is the largest known moon in our planetary system, even larger than the planet Mercury, which measures about 4,880 kilometers across. Despite being unable to support life as we know it, our own moon still ranks an impressive 5th among the largest satellites in the solar system in terms of composition. Ganymede, however, belongs to the category of ice moons, natural satellites whose surfaces, as the name suggests, are primarily composed of frozen materials that extend from the moon's crust down to its core.